Good morning students. Black 18. Today we are going to learn about the topic media and democracy. Students, what is media? Media means of communicating with a large group of people. Students, let's you learn the aim. What is the aim of in this lesson? Examine the use of censorship in the media and examine how the media decides which current event to cover. Students, next you learn the keywords. Today keywords are cover, media, information, accountable, censorship. Again one time I tell the keyword cover, media, information, accountable, censorship. Students, next you learn the censorship and media. Students, I asking one question, so listen carefully. Okay, look at the figures 3 and 4 carefully from the section censorship and media in the exit content book and say how both are different. Students, I explain the book, so listen carefully. Okay. Students, the men and women watch the TV. The famous Royal Hotel has been attacked by a group of masked men carrying heavy arms and weapons. We have received information that a troop of 200 NSG commanders have reached the location of fight the terrorists. They are heavily armed and have the latest weapons. Headline news on terrorist attack and hotel. We have breaking news. NSG commanders have entered the hotel building from the rooftop from a helicopter. We hear they are going to capture the terrorists from behind to take them by surprise. So the men, oh God, I must supply more weapons to my men. So not realize that members of the terrorist group might be watching the same news. They might inform the terrorists about the army's strategies, and this would make it difficult for the army to fight them. Students, already I said figure 3 and 4 carefully from the section censorship and media in the exit content book and say how both are different. This is a photograph from the former Soviet Union. The boy in figure 3 was killed after the Soviet government found him guilty of going against the government. After his death, he was removed from the same picture. Figure 4. Like the former Soviet Union, many authoritarian governments control the newspaper, television, books and radio and don't allow them to say, write anything that goes against the government. This is known as censorship. Students, I asking one question, so listen carefully. Okay, what is the television news about? The news is about a terrorist attack in a hotel. During such events, many lives are at risk and the security of a country is threatened because the terrorists may attack other places as well. And the next question, is it right to cover on TV the details of what the army plans to do? Why? Did you know, students? Yes, it is not right for the media to cover the details of the army's strategies against the terrorists because members of the terrorist group might also be watching the news. They might inform the terrorists about the army's plans, and this would make it difficult for the army to fight them. Students, what kinds of news appears on the front page, which on the next page, and so on. Did you know, students? Yes, all newspapers follow a pattern. The front page of a national newspaper carries all the important news. There are separate pages for news concerning the country, other country, sports or business. Students, censorship in media is needed for two types. When it concerns security matters, another one when the news can disturb peace. I asking one question, listen carefully. Okay, do you think the media should have complete freedom? Why? Did you know, students? Yes, media should be free to inform people about whatever is happening in the world, even if it goes against the government, and also to voice the opinion of people. Students, next see the table. Coverage of news depends on how media decides what to cover. Influenced by big companies, depends on what kind of news can attract more people. Students, I asking one question. How does the media decide which events to cover? Did you know, students? Yes, almost any news that impacts our lives is covered by the media. However, whether an event will make headlines on the front page or not depends on other factors. Finally, thank you, students. You are observing the video and complete the worksheet.